Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, principal, teachers, parents, and my dear friends. My name is Aisha, study in 9th class, student of Jamia Islamia Siddiqia Lil Banat. I extend my warm greetings to everyone. Today we all have gathered here to celebrate Independence Day. I feel immensely honored to get the opportunity to address you all on this history occasion and express heart-touching line on India's independence. As we all know that India gained its independence from the British on August 15, 1947, it was the day when the British had departed from our Indian soil and we became independent. They have transferred the legislative power to the Indian Constituent Assembly. After that, India retained King George until its complete transition to a republic. Our Constitution of India came into effect on the 26th of January 1915, which is celebrated as Republic Day. Then it's replaced the Dominion of India. Our first Prime Minister of India raised the Indian national flag above the Lahori Gate of the Red Fort in Delhi on 15 of August 1947. After that, on its subsequent the Independence Day, our Prime Minister of India raised the Indian national flag and gives to our national. Prime Minister of India pay tribute to the freedom fighter of the Indian. This day reminds us of the value and sacrifice of our freedom fighter and great leader who struggled their lives for our freedom. It is because for them that we are enjoying freedom today. Let us wind up the speech with our national pledge to maintain the sovereignty and equality of our nation and to pay tribute to the freedom fighter and great leader who lost their lives to give us independence. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.